Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will share the unboxing video of Samsung Bespoke AI 9 kg front load washing machine. We got this from the official Samsung website, but this is also available on Amazon. I'll share the link in the description below. This 9 kg model is the new 2025 one. Earlier they launched a 12 kg model, I think. So here is the quick unboxing video. Thanks for watching this video. The installation and setup finally got completed. We will make more new videos about explaining the features of this washing machine, about the Wi-Fi, cleaning, etc. Please do subscribe to get notified about that. Kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Have a wonderful day and night.